My brother, what happened?
You are asking me what happened? Can't you see myself?
You have followed that direction.
I should have followed that direction. Is it bad if they decide to try this road? This road has been in existence like this for more than 50 years. How old am I?
Where is this road located?
Is this exceptional? Of course.
Exceptional.
Of course.
Upper Sapomba.
Exactly.
They should have used this road to do campaign or do other things.
You see, you're a big fool, a big one. They should use the road for campaign instead of doing it.
No, that's okay, it's okay.
Don't tell me it's okay.
I was just trying to...